Cranberry Pumpkin Muffins are a great tasting treat.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands.
First off, start off with clean hands and then preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to want to prepare your muffin pans with nonstick spray or line them with paper cups. We're going to start off with preparing our mix with 2 cups of flour. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of allspice. And we're going to combine those ingredients. When all of those are combined, then we're going to put together our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, you're going to want to beat together 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 3/4 of a can of pumpkin puree. Make sure you get the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie mix. So we're just going to beat these together. Once you have your 2 separate bowls, then you're going to want to add your wet ingredients into your dry bowl. Then you're going to mix these 2 together until they're all combined. I've had to switch over to my spatula now in order to make sure I get all of the flour combined into the pumpkin mixture. It makes kind of a stiff dough. Once you have this all combined, you're going to add in 1 cup of dried cranberries, or if you have fresh, use 2 cups. And you're just going to fold that into your batter. Now we're going to divide out our dough equally into our muffin tins. I like to use a spoon to put it in there, and then I use a separate spoon to scrape it off. Always start off with a nice healthy spoonful, and then if I have extra at the end, I come back and add a little bit to it, the ones that don't have quite as much. Now that we have our muffin tins filled, we're going to place them in a 400-degree preheated oven and bake them for 15 to 30 minutes. And we'll know that they're done when we can insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Our muffins are done, and let's serve one up. 1 muffin equals 1 serving. I'm going to take it out of the paper. And I'm going to serve this muffin with a few banana slices. And there you have it. An easy, simple, ready breakfast.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.